Okay, 3 boxes. This one contains some custom orders to bring to a different shop location kind of thing. But there's a few in here that I need to get out. So let's let them out. Let's let them free. Free. The custom orders. We have Girls, Girls, Girls by Shoshana von Blankensee. This is jam-packed with queer angst and queer joy and a truly incredible amount of heart. The summer of '96 and secret girlfriends Hannah and Sam are driving across the country from Long Beach, New York to the fabled queer paradise of San Francisco. Finally free from the stifling demands of Hannah's devout Orthodox Jewish mother, in San Francisco they can be a real couple out in the open around other queer people. And there's a little bit more there. It's grungy, coming of age type of novel. I have another copy of The Calamity Club, which did not last long. I put it on the shelves and it came off the shelves before anybody even really got to see it in store. It was ordered online. So another copy to put back on the shelves. Heard great things about this. I have The Song of Achilles and House in the Cerulean Sea, one of my all-time faves. We have, this one was suggested on my stories on Instagram for suggestions for like any LGBTQIA plus 2S book recommendations. Fake Dates and Mooncakes was one. We have Housemates. I really want to read this. I've heard good things about this. This one here, Homebodies. I let you guys know I was going to be bringing this in Pride Month. And any time of year. Like, let's not just read queer literature in June. Disappoint Me by Nicola Dinan. I have Never Whistle at Night. So it's also Indigenous Heritage Month, so that's important too. Giovanni's Room, Gracie. Oh my gosh. Buffalo Dreamer, oh, beautiful. I love this. National Book Award finalist. Beautiful little read. Whistler, Ann Patchett's new book. We Survive the Night by Julian Braid Noisecat. Countries of Origin by Javier Fuentes. Murder. Red, White, and Royal Blue. Last Night at Telegraph Club. Oh, I really want to read this one. If the Dead Belong Here. Small Ceremonies. Spoiled Milk. Love this cover. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. All around 10 out of 10 cover. 3 more copies of The Artist's Way. This is the course that I'm doing now. I guess it's a course. I don't know. It's a journey. It's a path. It's something. A bunch more House in Cerulean Sea. This is our book club book, so it makes sense that there's a bunch of these copies. Plus, it's also one of my favorite reads, so I always have it on reorder. Somewhere Beyond the Sea. This was a custom order in. We have, looks like some Heated Rivalry. Yep. What is Pride Month without Heated Rivalry? We have restock of The Berry Pickers. Again, this is one that I often have and reorder in the shop. Tomorrow Will Be Different. Loss, Love, and the Fight for Trans Equality by Sarah McBride. Game Changer. Nova Scotia House. Another one of these. Role model. Tough guy. We have some Heartstopper in the house. We have Clear. This was a custom order. Rules for the Summer by Megan McQuinn. Common Goal. So many books. The Long Game. The Pairing. I've heard really good things about this book also. Same author of Red, White, and Royal Blue, question mark. Right? I think so. Pretty sure. Another volume 1 and 2 of Heartstopper. Another pairing. We have The Buffalo Hunter, Stephen Graham Jones. Reading Sweetgrass. Of course, we have to have a few of these copies in hand for Indigenous Heritage Month. And Boyfriend Material. I've heard good things about this one, actually. And we have, this was a custom order. Oh my gosh. Jealous. Oh my gosh. I love a good foil. This was a custom order in. Heartstopper the Third. Really want to read this one. I might have to keep one of these copies for myself. This is How You Lose the Time War. And another Heartstopper number 4. So that's a whole lot of queer literature, a whole lot of amazing Indigenous literature, and then some other things mixed in there. So, yay.